We have brought the whole team here, all three entities, so Mergo, CF, and IOHK, to actually coalesce on a shared vision and a consolidated commercial strategy that we can all basically act to and execute. It has truly been the most amazing experience I've ever had in a corporate environment. People are drawing on boards, ideas are being shared amongst many different people from several different disciplines. And for the first time ever since I've joined IOHK and now the CF, I've seen all the top minds of our entities come together and listen to each other and have their voices heard. Everybody is now able to participate in the conversation. It's been absolutely incredible, and I think every company, in fact, I think every government should actually go through this exercise as well. This is what we're now about. These are our values. This is what we represent, and this is what we're going to deliver to you in the next 10 years. The difference about IOHK as a company is that we really do listen to people. It's input-output. We really do want your input to output. It's your company. It's your future that you're building. That's the whole point of Cardano, the product in general. I mean, you should be able to build your own future. So it's so important that our people understand, number one, the vision, contribute to the vision, and then execute on the vision. It's not rocket science. If you own the vision, if you were a part of creating that and it wasn't created in a hierarchical way, you are more motivated to succeed. You're more motivated to contribute to the success of a project or a product. This has been a very rewarding exercise. I mean, the outcomes are amazing. We've brought people from over 20 different countries from all over the world. So the minds that have come together represent different cultures. And all of us have coalesced this into a beautiful vision that it's going to be extraordinary.